Y'all, I just finished filming my last video where I made the little wreaths. But in that video, I talk about ProCraftination and I'm kind of hooked. And I've decided that I need a tote bag with ProCraftination on it. It's been a while since I've done any sublimation projects, so we're gonna make a little sublimated ProCraftination tote bag. How about doing this project as the epitome of ProCraftination? Should I be doing this? No, I should be editing the video that I just filmed. But that's gonna have to wait because I really want to make this tote bag. Now for all of my sublimation friends out there, I am a Craft Express girly. Love Craft Express, love this heat press, especially because I don't have to stand and watch it. Like when it's done, it will open up. Now right now I'm messing with it because I just want to press my bags so that I have a nice clean, crisp surface to print on. But I love this machine. This, I have the tumbler press. I have my amazing tape dispenser. I've got my sawgrass printer ready. Got my little tumbler cradle. Okay. So now my tote bag is ready, which I am a tote bag person. I'm a tote bag, I'm a lot of things, but I am a tote bag person. Obviously I'm a craft supply person, and I am a notebook and stationery person. I love my pens. I love my notebooks. I love Post-its. I love stationery. I just love all this stuff. Okay. Let's design. I got my tape dispenser, which I've shown how to use this before. This thing is so cool. I really think I need to get like some regular gift wrap tape and get a second one of these. You just crank this and it just cuts a ton of pieces of tape and they're ready for you to use, which is just awesome. So I think what I want to do for this design, I want it very simple. I don't want anything complicated. All right, so I am gonna go to Canva. Well, of course, I got my design made and then I decided that I was going to look to see, because surely I'm not the only person who's ever thought of this word. And of course I wasn't. And I don't know why I was so naive as to think I was the first person. I get really excited about ideas that I have, and then because of the internet, we all get to discover very quickly that there is no original thought, no original ideas. But it was, there was a brief moment where I was excited about this word. I mean, I still like the word. I just now see that a lot of people use that word, including the queen herself of crafting, Andrea Nelson Art, uses this word. Didn't know it till I just Googled it, and she has a video where she talks about putting a hat on a duck, and that is her ProCraftination. And then of course I looked down a little bit further and Etsy has all the products you can buy. But you know what? That is not going to get me down. It's not. I'm still gonna do this. I did want to be upfront that I did do the research and did discover that, no, I did not come up with that term. But I did make myself giggle when I thought of it. And now I'm gonna put it on a tote bag because why not? Make sure we've got this centered. 2 inches, 2 inches. Ooh, Molly, that was good. Okay, we are going to press this, see how it turns out. Hopefully it's adorable. By the way, I had an idea for another project that I thought I was so brilliant coming up with this idea. I mean, same thing with the not so precious moments. I mean, I was not the first person to do that. I thought that I was the first person to do that, and then discovered there was a guy named like the Precious Mutilator, I think. Now his is a whole other level, and his don't even look like, he does like movie makeup, and his precious moments don't even look like precious moments after he gets a hold of them. But I had no idea who that person was until I started doing those, and people were like, oh, have you heard about him? I had not, but I learned about him, and he is very, very talented. All right, let's press. So when I do my tote bags, I always put a piece of butcher paper on the inside as well as on the bottom and on the top, just in case any of that ink bleeds through. These are from HTV Ront. So I set my heat press to 390 for 90 seconds. Now, if you go by the recommendations that they have for that, they say to do it 390 for like 40 seconds. And I just found that that wasn't enough. So I do 90 seconds. And then when it's done, this will automatically lift up, and then we'll check and see what it looks like. Oh, see? This is why you do the butcher paper. Can y'all see that? There's a little bit of ink on there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull this off. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look how cute it is. ProCraftination, the action of creating crafts while delaying or postponing something you don't want to do. I should be cleaning my house and avoiding procrastination, but I'd rather just craft. Well, I may not have come up with the word procrastination, but that's okay because I created this and it's adorable and it makes me happy. And I think all of you should go out and procrastinate. I love it. I decided to do it on both sides. And I love my tote. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So if you've made it this far, thank you for joining along in my chaotic thought processes, but you guys are the best. Is this something I should sell? Let me know if this is something you'd be interested in. All right, go out, enjoy a little procrastination, have yourself a little me time, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.